Hey guys, this is John from Abrasive Technologies. Today we're going to talk about why abrasive choice can drastically impact your Sandblaster's ability. Today we're going to use 3 abrasives onto 3 bearing caps. Now these bearing caps are disgusting. They got a lot of grease, dirt, grime, carbon buildup, all in all nasty. So we're going to use 3 different abrasives. We're going to use glass bead, aluminum oxide, and dry soda blasting. So let's check it out. Okay guys, right behind me is the 1000 dry blast unit. Inside of this cabinet, we're going to use glass bead to clean and polish up this bearing. As you can see, this is also both a combo with a siphon unit and a dust collector. So if you want to learn more about what's the difference between a siphon and a pressure pot and why you need a dust collector, we have plenty of videos. There's one right here that you can learn all about those stuff. Let's get further ado. So guys, you just saw how the glass bead easily took off the dirt and carbon buildup off the bearing. But here we're gonna look at the aluminum oxide inside this VH2000 dry blast. Again, this one has a pressure pot and a dust collector combo, and I am 100% certain that we're definitely going to remove the dirt and the carbon buildup from this bearing. So let's check it out. All right guys, last but not least, we got the 3500 dry blast, and this has dry soda blasting. So we're gonna see if dry soda blasting can remove the dirt and the carbon buildup off this bearing. So I'm gonna open this big door up and put this tiny part in this big machine. All right guys, and welcome back. Today we're gonna start from my right to your left from here. So right here is the glass bead. We used it on the 1000 dry blast. In the middle, we got the aluminum oxide, which was from the 2000. And then right here is the dry soda blast from the 3500. One thing I'll say about from the first question was about abrasive choice and how it can drastically impact your Sandblaster's ability. If you're looking for a finish, specifically a polished finish, that's gonna be the glass bead. The glass bead did a fantastic job at not only cleaning and removing some of the dirt and the carbon buildup, but it also gave us a very nice polished finish. In the middle, aluminum oxide is perfect for stripping off paint, dirt, corrosion, and carbon buildup. So this did a fantastic job and gave us sort of a matte finish. So again, if you're going to remove and prep for your parts for a paint or a coating, aluminum oxide or any other aggressive media should do the job. Dry soda blasting, as you know, soda dissolves. So soda's not going to give you that finish. It's not going to give you a matte finish. It's not going to give you a polished finish. Really, its job is to clean. It did a great job at cleaning the dirt and the carbon buildup, but it's not going to give you a nice polished finish. So really, the answer to it is that whatever job you're doing, whatever finish you want, surface finish, or whatever job you're looking for, you have to decide which abrasive that you want to choose. So that's really it. This is the results. So if you guys have any more questions about dry blasting and abrasives, you can call us at 828-202-5563. We also have a website, www.abrasivetechnologies.com. Follow us on all of our social medias, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.